naka-tennis po ako sa salamin.
Magandang gabi po. Happy anniversary, mga kapatid. I will share from the book of Hebrews, chapter 9, verse 28. It says here, "So Christ was sacrificed once to take away the sins of many people, and he will appear a second time, not to bear the sin, but to bring salvation to those who are waiting for him." So mga kapatid, tayo na mga nananampalataya na sa Panginoon, we are already waiting for him. But there are people around us who are not yet waiting because they don't know about the salvation. So the Lord will come to take those who are waiting for him. Ano po ang gagawin natin? Tayo na alam na naghihintay sa Panginoon. We will continue to do the will of the Lord, preaching the gospel until the Lord comes. God bless po sa bawat isa sa atin. Tayo po ay magkakasama. Iba-iba man po tayo ng lugar, iba-ibang oras ng service natin. Tayo po ay magkakasama, and we will be together celebrating with the Lamb in heaven. Amen? God bless po sa